Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Garmin Quatix 8. If you're a boating enthusiast, a marine adventurer, or just a fan of Garmin's premium smartwatches, you're probably wondering what upgrades this next-generation marine smartwatch will bring. Will it be a game-changer or just an incremental update? Should you hold off on buying the Quatix 7, or is the upcoming model worth waiting for? Let's break it all down. Garmin's release strategy and what it tells us. Garmin has a consistent strategy when it comes to updating its lineup of premium multisport and marine watches. Historically, every major Phoenix upgrade is followed by a corresponding Quatix version, designed specifically for marine and water-based activities. The Quatix 7 was essentially a marine-enhanced Phoenix 7, offering specialized boating tools, advanced GPS tracking, autopilot control, and NMEA 2000 connectivity. With the Phoenix 8 now making waves, it's logical to expect the Quatix 8 to follow soon. One of the biggest trends in Garmin's recent watch releases is the shift toward AMOLED displays. The Phoenix 7 Pro and other premium models have moved away from MIP screens, opting for sharper, more vibrant AMOLED technology. However, Garmin has also kept MIP options available in some models to cater to outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize battery efficiency and direct sunlight readability. The big question remains: will the Quatix 8 embrace AMOLED entirely, or will Garmin offer both display choices? Expected display and battery life improvements. If Garmin continues its AMOLED push, the Quatix 8 could feature a stunning high-contrast AMOLED screen, improving indoor visibility, color accuracy, and overall aesthetics. However, this transition comes with potential trade-offs. Battery life concerns. AMOLED screens generally consume more power compared to transflective MIP displays. Garmin has made advancements in solar charging technology, but will it be enough to compensate for AMOLED's power demands? Readability in bright sunlight. Marine users often spend long hours in direct sunlight, making MIP displays ideal for visibility. If the Quatix 8 fully switches to AMOLED, Garmin might need to enhance anti-glare coatings or offer adaptive brightness technology. If an AMOLED variant is introduced, Garmin's solar technology will likely be enhanced to extend battery life. The latest power glass used in recent models has improved efficiency, so we might see a Quatix 8 Solar Edition that maximizes battery longevity even with a power-hungry display. Potential new features and software enhancements. The Quatix 8 is expected to build upon its predecessor's marine-focused software and connectivity features. Some anticipated upgrades include advanced AI-powered alerts and weather tracking. With Garmin increasingly incorporating AI-driven features, the Quatix 8 could offer real-time weather pattern detection to help boaters prepare for storms or sudden tide changes, AI-driven route optimization, adjusting navigation based on sea conditions, smarter tide tracking, integrating historical data with real-time readings for more accurate predictions, enhanced marine connectivity and autopilot integration. Garmin is known for seamless integration with marine electronics. The Quatix 8 could improve autopilot controls with enhanced precision and easier interface navigation, expanded compatibility with Garmin marine charts and GPS tracking, offering faster route calculations, better integration with Garmin's inReach technology, ensuring safer communication for offshore users, next-level mapping and navigation features. Garmin has been pushing the boundaries in navigation, and the Quatix May 8 feature upgraded marine maps with richer detail, faster onboard processing for smooth zooming and panning of nautical charts. New interactive navigation tools are making it easier to plan long routes directly from the watch. Will we see a more affordable Quatix 8 variant? Garmin has a habit of releasing budget-friendly versions based on premium models. Could we see a Quatix 8 Lite or Quatix 8 Instinct Edition? While this remains speculation, an affordable marine watch with core boating features, rugged build, and a more basic display could attract a broader audience. Additionally, Garmin often releases luxury Mark editions, and a Quatix 8 Mark Captain Edition is highly probable. These versions typically feature premium materials like titanium and sapphire crystal, exclusive watch faces and custom engraving options, advanced sensors and additional connectivity perks. If the Quatix 8 Mark Captain follows this pattern, expect it to be one of the most expensive marine smartwatches Garmin has ever released. Should you wait for the Quatix 8 or buy the Quatix 7 now? If you're considering an upgrade, here's what you should weigh. Reasons to wait for the Quatix 8. Potential AMOLED display for sharper visuals. Improved battery life with advanced solar charging. Upgraded AI-driven navigation and marine tracking features. Better connectivity with Garmin's latest boating and GPS systems. Reasons to stick with the Quatix 7. Proven MIP display with superior outdoor readability. Solid battery life that lasts for weeks. Premium marine features that are still highly relevant. Possibly lower price due to incoming model updates. Ultimately, the choice depends on what matters most to you. If AMOLED, AI enhancements, and extended marine connectivity are key, waiting for the Quatix 8 might be worth it. However, if you prioritize battery longevity and sunlight readability, the Quatix 7 remains an excellent, time-tested option. Final thoughts. The future of Garmin's marine watches. Garmin has consistently delivered high-quality, innovative smartwatches, and the Quatix 8 is shaping up to be another powerful addition. Whether it fully embraces AMOLED, introduces new AI-driven alerts, or enhances its marine connectivity, it's clear that this watch will cater to serious boaters and marine adventurers.